How to use diatomaceous earth to kill bed bugs. Bed bugs, those tiny nocturnal pests that feed on human blood while you sleep, can be a homeowner's worst nightmare. These resilient insects can quickly infest your home and cause discomfort, itching, and even stress. If you're facing a bed bug infestation and seeking an effective, eco-friendly solution, diatomaceous earth could be your answer. DE is a natural, non-toxic substance that can help you get rid of bed bugs without resorting to harmful chemicals. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the steps of using diatomaceous earth to eliminate bed bugs and regain a good night's sleep. Welcome to The Guardian's Choice. Understanding bed bugs. Before we dive into using diatomaceous earth, it's crucial to understand your enemy. Bed bugs are small, reddish-brown insects that feed on the blood of humans and animals. They are expert hiders, typically hiding in cracks and crevices near their host's sleeping area. Bed bugs reproduce quickly, and a small infestation can become a significant problem if left unchecked. What is diatomaceous earth? Diatomaceous earth is a naturally occurring, soft sedimentary rock that can be easily crumbled into a fine white powder. DE is composed of the fossilized remains of diatoms, which are microscopic aquatic organisms. It is a safe and non-toxic substance that is commonly used in agriculture, food production, and pest control. The magic of diatomaceous earth lies in its microscopic structure. Under a microscope, DE particles resemble sharp-edged glass shards. When insects like bed bugs come into contact with DE, it clings to their bodies and pierces their exoskeletons, causing them to dehydrate and die. DE is an effective and eco-friendly way to control a variety of pests, including bed bugs. How diatomaceous earth kills bed bugs. Diatomaceous earth adheres to the body of the bed bug and damages the protective waxy layer of the bed bug cuticle by sorption and abrasion. These particles penetrate the bed bug body and get stuck between its exoskeleton joints. When the bed bug moves, these sharp particles physically cut the bug organs. This video will tell you how to prepare your home, applying diatomaceous earth, and monitoring and reapplication. So keep watching, get your solution, and enjoy! Step 1. How to prepare your home. Number 1. Identify infested areas. Determine which areas of your home are infested with bed bugs. Focus on places where you or your family members sleep or spend extended periods. Number 2. Declutter. Remove clutter and unnecessary items from the infested areas. Bed bugs thrive in hidden spots, so reducing clutter makes it easier to locate and treat them. Number 3. Wash and dry bedding. Remove and wash all bedding, including sheets, pillowcases, and mattress covers, in hot water. Use a high-temperature dryer to ensure that bed bugs and their eggs are killed. Number 4. Vacuum thoroughly. Vacuum your mattress, box spring, bed frame, and surrounding areas. Pay close attention to seams, cracks, and crevices where bed bugs hide. Immediately dispose of the vacuum bag or clean the vacuum canister to prevent bed bugs from escaping. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Step 2. How to apply diatomaceous earth. Number 1. Choose food-grade DE. Ensure that you use food-grade diatomaceous earth, which is safe for humans and pets. Avoid using DE products designed for pool filtration, as they contain additives that can be harmful if inhaled. Number 2. Wear protective gear. While wearing gloves and a face mask, sprinkle food-grade diatomaceous earth powder across your box spring, on the legs of your bed, and around nearby furniture. Use enough to cover the entire surface with a thin layer. Number 3. Apply DE strategically. Lightly dust a thin layer of DE in areas where you've identified bedbug activity. Focus on hiding spots, cracks, crevices, and the areas surrounding your bed. Be sure to target the seams and folds of your mattress and box spring. Number 4. Use a puffer or duster. Gently use a brush or duster to spread the diatomaceous earth out evenly across each surface. Avoid puffing it through squeeze-tight bottle dispensers except when applying the powder into cracks and crevices that you can't brush. Number 5. Allow DE to settle. Leave the diatomaceous earth in place for several days to a week. Bed bugs that come into contact with it will begin to dehydrate and die. During this time, keep your living space as dry as possible, as DE is most effective in dry conditions. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Step 3. Monitoring and reapplication. Number 1. Inspect treated areas. Regularly check the treated areas for signs of bedbug activity. Look for live bugs, molted exoskeletons, and small bloodstains on your bedding. Number 2. Reapply as needed. If you still notice bedbug activity after a week or so, consider reapplying diatomaceous earth. Bedbug infestations may require multiple treatments to completely eradicate. Number 3. Maintain a clean living space. Continue to keep your living space clean and clutter-free. Regular cleaning and vacuuming can help prevent future infestations. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. How long does diatomaceous earth take to kill bed bugs? When you are killing bed bugs, allow diatomaceous earth to remain in place for at least 2 weeks. Longer is better, since it ensures any lingering bed bugs will be killed as they try to repopulate your home. Don't get rid of the diatomaceous earth in your home too early, or some bed bugs may survive. 1. Do not remove diatomaceous earth for at least 14 days after you apply it. 2. Removing diatomaceous earth too soon can allow the bedbug population to bounce back. 3. Because 14 days is a long period of time, you may need to replenish the diatomaceous earth powder in some areas of your home. When treating your home with diatomaceous earth, keep an eye on the areas you have treated with the powder. If the powder is vacuumed, swept, or blown away, replace it. By maintaining a constant layer of diatomaceous earth, you'll greatly increase your chances of killing more bed bugs faster. Safety precautions. Avoid inhaling DE. Always wear a mask when applying DE to prevent inhaling the fine powder. If you have respiratory issues, consider staying out of the treated area for a few hours after application. Keep DE dry. DE loses its effectiveness when wet, so try to keep treated areas as dry as possible. Protect pets. While DE is generally safe for pets, it can be drying to their skin. Avoid direct application to pets, and use caution if your pets have respiratory issues. Alternative methods. Heat treatment. Professional heat treatment can quickly kill bed bugs by raising the temperature in your home to a level that is lethal for these pests. Steam cleaning. Steam cleaning can be effective at killing bed bugs and their eggs on surfaces and in cracks and crevices. Professional pest control. If your bed bug infestation is severe or persistent, it may be best to consult with a professional pest control company. They have the expertise and equipment to eliminate bed bugs effectively. Tips when using diatomaceous earth. 1. You need to be sleeping in your bed in order for diatomaceous earth to be effective. Unfortunately, this does mean using yourself as bait, but otherwise the bed bugs will not bother climbing through the powder. 2. Wear gloves while applying the diatomaceous earth powder. 3. Wear a face mask to keep the powder from entering your lungs. 4. Use a vacuum to clean up any excess powder to avoid dusting it into the air. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.